The only way to get rid of poverty is to hate it with passion. I want this to sink in, because whatever you don't hate, you will tolerate. Like as I'm speaking to you right now, someone, somewhere is about to lose their car, or their house is being repossessed as we speak. Why? Because they did not hate poverty enough. You need to fight it with multiple streams of income. Some right now are sitting in the dark with no electricity because they didn't develop enough disgust for being broke. Humans are adaptive creatures. We adjust to pain and lack. But whatever you do, never adapt to broke. You either make money or you die trying. There's no middle ground anymore. Poverty is a mindset, because success is something you attract by the person you become. It's all about mindset. Poverty must be destroyed. If you want to change your mindset and your circumstance, put ready in the comments, and I will rush you over my blueprint to financial freedom.